Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can rename your notes on not Facebook. Why did I say that? Rename your notes on your notes folder on your iPhone. It's pretty much the same for iOS 16. Is it 16 or 18? What are we on right now? It is pretty much the same. So for iOS 16 and up, I'm going to say, or 18, I remember. But you're going to open up notes here. As you can see, I have one called new folder, and I want to rename that note, like folder note, into something else. So here there's only like a delete and like, I don't know, file button and share. There's like no rename ones, so select that. Why are there fireworks? Anyways, select the three lines on the top right corner of your screen, and there's going to be a lot of tabs that says view as gallery, show folder, add folder, move this folder, and there will be one called rename. This is where you can rename your folder. Maybe you want all of your recipes to be here. Can I type? Then when you press save, obviously the folder will be changed to recipes. I'm not sure you can do that with like just the notes here. Like you can, it's just going to still be at like called notes. So you'll need to make a new folder if you want to rename it. So it doesn't work if you just like want to rename the like main notes folder, if you understand what I mean. Oh my god. And yeah, that is how you can rename your folder on your iPhone. Again, select this folder here. You can even do that, like select it for a long time, and then there will be a rename button that you can click on. You don't actually have to open up the folder if you are too lazy to do that. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!